I don't know if you could take it.
Stop!
You wanna see me naked, naked, naked.
I'm just saying.
I wanna be a baby, baby, baby.
3, 2, 1, action.
So hello everyone, it's Somebody, and I'm back for yet another video, and I hope you guys are having a great time. Welcome back to my channel. You see, don't come like not Becca. Welcome back to my channel. So how are you guys doing? Let me know in the comments below, because Dove Daniels is here with you guys. Okay, it's happy holidays. I know everyone's like happy, but there are some people that are in the hospital struggling. Okay, let's be real. Yeah, there are people that are struggling. There are people that, guys, there are people that don't have roof over their head. There are people that so let's also, you know, try to understand those people too. You know, I've seen there are some people that everything is perfect in their life. They don't really get what it's like to struggle. When you've been on both sides of the world, you know what it's like to struggle, and you know what it's like to, like, oh my god, I finally have something, and you know how to make it work. You know, like, appreciate it. Like, you hold on. There is this saying, respect the penny, so that way when you get the dollar, you can appreciate it. Does that make sense? That's why until this day, if I'm walking down the street and someone throws a penny on the floor, I'll pick it. Like, wherever I see a penny, I'm picking it. My friend Jasmine will tell you, I never ever disrespect the pennies. Like, my bag has a lot of pennies because I'll see people throw it away like it's nothing. Like 50 pennies, and you see me picking them. Yeah, I respect it because they add up, okay? So yeah, and in this video, I want you guys to just, let's talk. Guys, it may be you, it may be her, it may be him, it may be they, it may be them, but I want you to know that you deserve better. You're worth it. I'm saying this because I've been through a lot, and I know what it's like when people are like, oh no, that's an unrealistic dream. Oh no, this is what you can do. Oh, this is the best you can, you know? I've seen people shit on you like it's nothing, because they feel because of the way you look, you know, or your background, you cannot amount to anything. So they try to control your life and tell you how you should live your life, or what you should do, what they feel is right for you, not what you in your heart know you can do. Okay, I'm saying this because I've seen most artists who went on to do what they wanted to do and bloomed into an empire. Mariah Carey, Celine Dion, Tina Turner, Beyonce, Madonna, you know, like all these people.
Don't you ever say I never warned you.
Follow their dreams, and yet here are they today doing phenomenal things. So when people tell you, oh no, you cannot do it, oh no, you cannot achieve that, oh no, this is what you should do instead, oh no, guys, don't listen to them. Don't listen. I've seen the heartbreak that people listening to others had caused and impacted in their lives, that they start living lives filled with regrets. Please never ever give up on your dream. Please, I beg you. People have been telling me to give up on my dream. I showed you guys the type of hair I love to do. I've heard people say, oh no, you know, just stick to, you know, doing our grace, you know, just see if you can build that kind of clientele, because they want you to be there. And then you're like, no, I'm there. Like, I know I can be there, not with you, like not where, okay, when you want me at 8 p.m. I should be there to do your haircut, you know, like, no. So please don't give up on your dreams. Keep doing you. You never know. Follow your heart. I'm begging you, because I know how it is, where people will find ways. There are people you will talk to about your dreams, and like, oh yeah, okay, when I was at this age, that's when I figured out what to do. You know, they find ways to downplay your ambition, your goal, your drive, your heart. Please, I'm begging you, if you have a goal, if you know what you're capable of doing in your heart, honey, like this, you know, when you know.
Yes, we can.
You guys know what I mean. When you know what you can do in your heart, follow your dreams, because you never know where it will take you. Look at Jennifer Lopez. She went from a backup dancer to a mogul, practically a legend at this point. If she had not followed her heart, she will not be there. She will not be where she is today. And I'm saying this because I still believe in my dreams. I still believe in my goal. I still believe that I can do something. That's why I've made it my job and life work that next year I am ending this cycle of struggling to, like, no, 2021, I don't care what's gonna happen, but you guys have been seeing me, I've been following, I've been hustling, I've been, like, you've been seeing my social media, like, I've been creating I'm doing me. People are like, oh no, that's the best you can do. So, you know, why don't you just get a job in one of these corporate salons, you know, so you can, you know, still get our hair done. See the dream they have, but they want to work in companies and be managers. Like when I talk to people and tell them, you know, I have a bachelor's degree, you know, I'm thinking about, oh really? Oh, I thought, you know, you should, you're a very great hairstyle, you know. They find a way. So, like, you know, we love having you here.
Look, my face is getting so red. Woo!
We love having you here. You see what that? We love having you here. Not, they don't want you to bloom, but we love having you. You're available to get our, you know, necessities done. You know, that's why I'm like, please follow your heart, because I'm doing this now, not because, you know, like, oh my God, you've already made it. No, I've not made it at all. That's what I'm telling you now. So that way, if I make it, you're like, oh bitch, you sold us, you said it, you follow your heart. My goal next year is to be an investor and be a content creator, and if possible, collaborate with people, do hair, stuff like that. But being tied down, I'm done. I'm done. I'd rather not be working in a place and clocking in with people that I cannot stand, or they cannot stand me, or those selling dramas and stuff like that, or work dramas and then no. Please, if you have a dream, if you have a goal, follow it. If I did not follow my dream, I would not be a college graduate. I would not even have a degree. And when I have a degree now, no one can take that from me. I can clean the streets, sweep houses, do people's hair and stuff like that, but no one can take that achievement that I have a scholarship, like I have a degree, that I worked my ass off, not because my biological father or my mom had money, you know, my single mom had money. No, like I worked so hard to get that degree through scholarship, full scholarship, not part, full. Guys,
Oh my God.
If we had money, I would have had a PhD and all that, but life gave me lime, and now I'm making lemonade. At the age of 9, I was in high school. At the age of 15, I was done with high school. So you can imagine. So it's not like, oh my God, you cannot do this because you don't have, no. Life is like, honey, I'm sorry. You were just, we just put you in a world where you have to fight for yourself, honey. And I took it. So I'm making lime. When life gave me lime, I'm making lemonade. That's what I've been working on, okay? So please, if your friends are telling you, oh no, you can't do it, follow your heart. If your boyfriend, girlfriend, day friend, sister, uncle, auntie, parents, friends, acquaintances are telling you, oh no, just stay here with us, just, we love to, you know, big brother, yeah, you know, so you always ask for their help. You know, when you know. You know when that voice in your body says, ah, it wants to scream out and do it. You know, when that voice is like, ah, you know, always in your heart, like you have to get out there, you have to follow your dream, follow it. You never know where it will take you. I'm telling you guys this because I'm still alive. Someday you and me will find ourselves in love again. Okay, that's what your dream is gonna say to you when you follow it and achieve it. Okay, I love you guys so much, and I wanted to do this video because I know it's the holidays and some people are struggling and some people are enjoying. Like, you know, some people are riding their Teslas and enjoying themselves, and some people like us are just we are locked in our room. We don't have family that supports us and stuff like that, and we are just feeling like, oh my god, what do we, you know? I want you guys to know that it's okay. If your family has rejected you, it's okay. Someday you will look back and like, wow, I went through that, but here I am today. Okay, I love you guys so much, and I just wanted to say hugs, warm hugs and kisses. I will be spending my holiday here in my room because I have nobody at the salon, and it's safe to say the salon is coming to an end. Yeah, at this point it's not even worth my time. Okay, for 2021 my goal is just, my time is money, like precious to me. No more working on other people's schedule. Okay, I love you guys so much, and I cannot wait to see you guys soon in the next video from Saturday and Dubstar Studios. You better shake them off, shake it off, okay? Bye guys. Wow, Dubs, you guys you're the shit, because I'll be crazy. Oh my god. Oh. Because I'll be crazy like that and you still don't care, and I'll be crazy like giving and you still don't care. So I fucks with you all. Bye guys.
Top down, let me look in your eye.
If I was gonna give it to anybody, I had to give it to you.
I know every second of yours is all mine.